Today I will show you how to cut one shape out of another in Adobe Illustrator. I welcome you to Easy Guide official YouTube channel. Please support and subscribe the channel. Let's create a new document first. Let me grab the rectangle tool from the toolbar. Click and drag on the artboard to create a rectangle. Select any fill color for the shape. Now grab the other shape tool. Here I am selecting star tool. Click and drag to create another shape. Fill another color in the second shape so that it is clearly visible. Make sure the shapes are on top of each other. Select both shapes using the selection tool. Now in the Pathfinder panel, you can see different options to cut two shapes. Here we are going to use the divide option. But if you can't find Pathfinder panel under the Properties panel, go to Window and then Pathfinder. Click on Divide option. Now the both shapes are grouped. So ungroup from the quick access, unselect both shapes, select the center shape and drag it to other location. And here you can see that one shape is cut out of another shape. In the same way, you can repeat with the other shapes. Another way to cut one shape out of another is by using the knife tool. Let's draw a shape first. Click on Add a toolbar. Click and drag the knife tool to the toolbar. Select the knife tool. Click and drag over the shape in any way you want to cut shape. Grab the selection tool, unselect the shape first and then select one part. In the same way, you can use any shape and cut other different shapes from it. So I hope you have learned how to cut one shape out of another one in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more exciting design tutorials. If you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and I will be happy to help. Also tell me in the comments below which Adobe Illustrator tutorial you want next. See you in the next video.